my name is Natalia Seth. I am a Surreal self-portrait artist, and today I'm going to give you 5 tips on taking more creative photos. Tip number 1, play with props. I have a whole prop closet full of random bride dresses that I found, of random objects that I found in thrift stores, and fabrics. Props give your photography a little bit more spice and are really fun to play with, so props. Tip number 2 is experiment with all types of photography. I've experimented with underwater photography, drone, portrait, pets, you name it. I found that I like doing portrait photography, but it's good to experiment with other types of photography because you don't know if there's something else you might like more. Or it's just fun to play with other types too. Tip number 3 is play with angles. I once found a hole in the ground and I stuck my camera in it, and it created a really cool photo with me and cats flying in the sky. We see life at eye level, so play around with putting your camera down lower or bird's eye view, all around. Tip number 4 is to find a creative community that supports you. I usually hop in between New York and LA because I have a lot of creative friends that I collaborate with or that I just hang out with. And it's really great to have like-minded individuals to talk about your creative problems or things that you need help with, or it could also inspire you. Tip number 5 is to be as weird as you can be. Let your imagination and creative voice reign free. I hope these tips helped. Let me know if you have any questions. If you do, leave them in the comments below. And you can find me at Escaping Youth on Instagram and at Natalia Seth on TikTok. I'll see you guys later. Bye!